Problem 28. Angle 1 and angle 2 are vertical angles. If the measure of angle 1 is equal to negative 10 plus 3x degrees and the measure of angle 2 are 50 degrees, find the value of x. If we have vertical angles, then we know they are congruent. Therefore, the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2, and by substitution, 3x minus 10 is equal to 50 degrees. Add 10 to both sides, 3x equals 60 degrees. Divide both sides of the equation by 3, x equals 20 degrees. 3 times 20 is 60, minus 10 is 50. We know we're correct. 29. Two motorcycles start at the same point. One travels 20 kilometers due north and stops. The second travels 16 kilometers due west and stops. What's the distance between them? 16 squared plus 20 squared equals the distance squared. 400 plus 16 squared. 15 squared is 225. Let's see what 16 squared is. 256. What is the square root of 656? A little over 25. So 25 squared is 625. So the distance is equal to 25 times the square root of 31. What theorems are used to determine that these triangles are congruent? Well, we have a congruent side and a congruent angle. What else do we have? We have vertical angles. So for this one, we have angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. Here we have right angle. So could we use hypotenuse leg? Well, we could, but we don't know anything about the legs. What we know is angle, 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 side, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. And finally, we have angle and side, 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 angle, side, because BC is congruent to itself, and side, angle, side. Good. What else do we have? Let's look at 31, the last problem in the section. Name all angle pairs. Okay, we're going to need some color for this one. 1 and 3, 5 and 7, 2 and 4, 6 and 8. Those are all vertical angles. 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5 and 7, 6 and 8. Alternate interior angles, we have 4 and 6, and we have 3 and 5, 4 and 6, 3 and 5. Alternate exterior angles, we have 1 and 7, we have 2 and 8, 1 and 7, 2 and 8. Vertical angles are congruent. Alternate interior angles are congruent. Alternate exterior angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding angles, we have 1 and 5, 4 and 8, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 1 and 5, 4 and 8, 2 and 6, 3 and 7. However, same side interior angles are supplementary. Same side supplementary angles are 4 and 5, 3 and 6. 4 and 5, 3 and 6. Review Part 2 is complete.